Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. Today I'm going to be bringing you Cruise Packing Tips and Essentials Part 2. Hopefully you were able to see Part 1, and I will be working on Part 3 shortly. So what to bring when you go on a cruise. So I've been cruising for a long time, and I've made a lot of mistakes, and I've learned a lot of things over the years. One of the things that I bring with me is a magnetic hook. So you're going to be getting paperwork inside the ship. So the walls on the ship are magnetic. So if you can bring one of these magnetic hooks, stick it onto the wall, you can clean up your desk and keep your paperwork in here. I'd also like to say I'm debuting my new t-shirt today. Hopefully you guys like it. I like it. It'll be the first of many designs. But I can't wait to sport this on the ship. Another thing that I bring with me is the cabins are dark. So I bring this Bell & Howell battery operated automatic turn on turn off LED light. I keep one in the bathroom, one inside the cabin itself. This way if I get up during the night, can't get to the light switch, as soon as I get up, motion sensor is going to pick up, lights are going to go on, stays on for maybe a minute if there's no motion, and then it shuts off. I would advise getting this, Bell & Howell. I would advise also bringing, instead of a Ziploc bag, bring one of these more professional type of Ziploc bags, let's say. And take it from me, I got caught in a hurricane, seemed like, in Bermuda. And my passports, my wallet, my cash, everything got wet. So learn from your mistakes. I bring this with me now, all my passports, my credit card, or whatever I'm taking off the ship that I don't want to get wet. It's in here. Got this on Amazon. I bring, this is an additional backpack. This whole bag here is a backpack. I did get this on Amazon. I myself buy a lot of things in the ports and on the ship. Never have enough luggage, even though, believe me, I take 2 huge luggages with me. So I'll bring this just in case I need extra space. I bring this as well. This is just an additional Halo adapter. It's a power adapter. 2 USBs. I have a spot over here telling me how much usage I have left. It's like a gauge, and I can plug it into the cigarette lighter in my car if I needed to as I'm driving, or into an electrical outlet. Can never have enough power, especially that I use the iPhone so much taking pictures. I also bring a solar powered battery charger as well, USB connect for my phone, just in case the power goes out. Also, I could bring this on an excursion. Got a little hook on it for my belt. Amazon. I bring 2 of these big clips with me. Clip and go. If I go outside on the cruise ship under an umbrella, or if I'm out on an excursion at the beach, I can take this, hook it on the top of the umbrella, and hang my backpack from it. I bring, this is my travel wallet. I can put my cruise line card in here, credit card, some cash, and if I want to bring my passport will fit in here as well. I like this. They have all different kinds of designs on this on Amazon, but what I like about it, put it around my neck, I can stick it inside my shirt, and I don't have to worry about anybody taking it from me, especially pickpockets. Other thing I have is, over the years, I've been looking for different ways to power my devices and charge my devices inside the cabin. And I like this one. This one here I bought on Amazon, TESSAN. I like it. 3 USBs, 1, 2, 3 places to plug your outlets in, just in case you need to plug something in. Great thing, inexpensive. I think I paid $20 for this on Amazon. I would advise you to get it. Doesn't take up a lot of space. I bring these command hooks, put right onto the wall. Gives me extra space for me to hang whatever it is that I want to hang up if I run out of space inside the closets. Doesn't do any damage to the cabin wall. Put them on. After you're done, pull the backing off of the 3M hook, and you can take the hooks with you. I've been using these for years. What a godsend. Face masks. I bring a couple packages of these. I believe I got these at Walmart or Dollar Tree, but I'll bring a few packages. Can never have enough of these things. I bring a travel clock with me. Put it inside the cabin because I need to know what time it is, especially at night. And again, 2 more outlets, a USB, and then I have a light up clock. I recommend some type of clock. I like this one because it's multifunction and it seems to been helping me out a lot. Bring post-it notes for me. If I wanted to leave a post-it note or a note for the room steward, I can write it on here with my Sharpie. And if I needed something, I wasn't able to get a hold of it, when he comes in my room or she comes in my room, they'll see my note and they'll leave me whatever it is that I'm looking for. So I would bring these as well. I bring these colored highlighters as well, just in case I get some type of handouts from the cruise ship. I can highlight them and makes it easy for me to find it. If you like what I've shown you so far, please subscribe to my channel. There's a subscribe button. It costs you nothing. What it does is it will notify you when I do post a new video, and it helps me grow the channel because as you subscribe, the analytics of YouTube will see that and they'll share it with more people. The other thing I bring, and I know it has nothing to do in my cabin, but I do want to tell you I bring this. This is the best backpack I ever seen. I'm going to tell you, Ryan, if you're listening, thank you for this suggestion. And this is made by Swiss Gear. It's got so many different zippers and compartments in it. It's the greatest thing. So as you know, I am a travel agent. So if you book your cruise with me, I will provide you with free lanyards. Usually give 1 to each person on the cruise. If you bought this on the ship, $15, $20, you get this for free from me. And as you can see, you put your cruise ship card on it, put it around your neck. Nice and easy. My gift to you by booking with me. I also provide these luggage holders, luggage tag holders. They're all sealed up. You don't have to worry about taping or stapling. You stick your luggage tag in here, seal it all up, and they come with a wire that's screwed on. It's not coming off, and you can attach this to your luggage. I provide this as well to each guest that books a cruise with me. Hopefully you liked what I showed you. I mean, these are little things that I've learned that I need to have over the years, and I'm trying to make your life easier, and hopefully you can use some of these things on your own and make your cruise enjoyable. Again, this is RJ, RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. When you're looking to cruise, I'm your guy. I do all kinds of vacations with my new t-shirt here. Take care, please subscribe, and thank you.